Hi everybody, I work with my bot. I have a problem, it's have a leaks on oil. I try to keep under motor place on a clean, but right now you can see it's have a little bit on oil. When I clean it completely, I go to water and near 3-4 hour I have a same problem. I have oil. And second problem, it's engine don't work correctly, don't keep uh, correct rpm, and when you put on neutral it's engine die, and need to change all gaskets and seal for not have oil leaks. But owner before me is a freezing engine and change engine. I buy this boat it's near 12-13 year ago. When I check compression on the cylinder number 4 has just 2 psi of compression. It's really low, and I want to drop this boat on auction. But before I go to drop this on auction, I have a vacation, and on the vacation I check price for buy similar boat but a little bit uh, newest than that. And after I check price, I change my decision because it's not really cheap boat, but I can buy a similar boat near 10 or 15,000 dollars, and I'm not sure what condition have engine on this boat. Buy boat for 15,000 and have same problem after a few years with engine. I not want. I want a boat a little bit bigger than that, but it's has more high price, and I changed my decision to keep this boat and fix engine. Right now we need to remove engine and fix it. Right now I want to remove valve head cover and check what position have a on a valve. It's have problem valve not cover completely, or have a problem not on a regulation on a valve but inside on a valve. For fix this engine I need near 1000. It's on all gaskets, seals, and some another part. When need to change carburetor, it's beyond 1000. Not change carburetor, it's 300 something cheaper. I'm ready to remove cover, and right now what I see, it's have a free play on cylinder 4, not over tight. It's problem not on the free play, it's problem have inside. Okay, I need to remove head valve right now and watch what we have. Valve not over tight, it's problem inside, not here. Already remove a carburetor, head valve cover, generator, exhaust pipe. Over here you can see intake and exhaust collector. Remove it head valve cover. On the engine left side already remove all part. On this side need to remove wire and some other parts. Need to pump out oil from this engine because it's not have enough place for put something under engine and drain oil. Okay, let's go work. Need to check head valve, put spark plug and fill up kerosene or something other on the top and check have a leaks on the valve or not. I worked near 3 hours and right now it's already remove all what need for put out block from board. Already lose this 4 bolts up front and on the rear of engine we have same 2 bolts, this one and one from other side. I'm ready losing these bolts too. Right now we need pump out oil and make something for put out this engine. I planned to put engine on this pieces of DSP. Open lower part of engine and check what I have inside. Visual on the top, it looks like a cylinder on good condition. Have some really small corrosion, old corrosion, not this corrosion not make right now. It's probably many years ago. It's probably this engine stay before is put here on a board. But I have a good compression on the first and third cylinder. It's 8 something. It's not really good, but okay. And on the second cylinder I has almost 10. It's 9.8 or something like this. And this one cylinder has just 2 atmosphere of compression. It's really low. Need check valve first and then probably I check on the inside what I have. But I planned to remove this engine completely anyway. Okay, see you at next time.